everywhere you go, you see it. Everybody you know, talk about it. Ladies and gentle people, today we are going to talk about why every single person on this island want a Toyota Mark X. The Toyota Mark X is a medium-sized sedan designed by Takumi Yamamoto and made by Toyota in Japan. The Toyota Mark X was launched in 2004 as a sporty high-end alternative to the Toyota Camry, and the Mark X was also a replacement for the Lexus IS300, or for all of the weird people out there, the Altezza. It succeeded where the Mark II left off, and unlike most common cars in Jamaica, it's rear-wheel drive. From the beginning, the Mark X was fitted with a V6 engine. The differences in each generation Mark X ranged from modest and conservative to powerful and sporty. Unfortunately, production of the Mark X was suspended in 2019, so you can only buy them used. Now, the first generation Mark X used a 2.5 litre V6, putting out 215 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque, accelerating it from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.9 seconds. It was paired with a 5-speed automatic or a 6-speed automatic transmission. But the second generation Mark X used a 3.5 litre V6, putting out 314 horsepower and 360 pound-feet of torque, accelerating it from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.9 seconds, with a top speed of 180 km per hour. The second generation also had a supercharged variant that output 355 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, accelerating it from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5 seconds flat. The second generation Mark X engine is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed GRMN manual. So basically, at the end of the day, the Toyota Mark X is a powerful, luxurious, sporty sedan, and that's why Jamaicans love it. That's just half a story. You feel somebody done yet? In Jamaica, the Toyota Mark X is associated with wealth, and because some Jamaicans just want to feel special, every man want a Mark X and every female want a man with a Mark X. Like bro, save some of the girl for the rest of winner, please. Now if you look at the motorsport side of things, the numbers add up. The Mark X has the potential to be a great race car. Take out some of the weight, add a turbo, put some tires and brakes on it, maybe put on a spoiler or a wing and do a little bit of tuning, and you have a race car ready to dominate the track. No R32 nor Audi have nothing for you, my boy. Quick side note, if you're liking the video so far, please make sure you like and subscribe as I make car videos like this twice a week, every week. Now back to the video. My main issue with the Mark X is that it's not cheap, so not everybody can afford one at the moment. But the Mark X is becoming more and more common, so soon you will be able to find a Mark X under 900k. Now sadly in the near future, drag racing at Iron Shore may no longer be a thing. So I absolutely advise you not to take your Mark X on an empty back road with no people and do some racing. Wink wink. Anyways guys, I hope now your eyes are open to the beauty of the Mark X, even though it is a little overrated.